Before the current conflict dominated global headlines, there was another big story out of Israel attracting international attention. At the start of January last year, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu unveiled sweeping changes to Israel's judicial system. The laws would limit the court's power to overturn government rulings it deemed unreasonable or unconstitutional. At the time, Israel's hard-right coalition said the changes were necessary to stop judicial interference in government.
The reforms I deliver will strengthen the judicial system and restore public faith in it. It will restore order.
It sparked an unprecedented show of civil disobedience that threatened to undermine Israel's government. The demonstrations evolved into weekly Saturday night protests and dragged on for months. Despite widespread opposition, Israel's parliament ratified the bill in July. Concerns began to spread about the implications on Israeli democracy, even amongst its staunchest allies.
As we've said before, as a lifelong friend of Israel, President Biden has publicly and privately expressed his views that major changes in a democracy should be, if they're going to be enduring, must have as broad a consensus as possible. It was unfortunate that the vote today took place with the slimmest possible majority.
In a first for Israel's Supreme Court, all 15 justices convened to hear appeals against the bill. After almost 4 months of deliberations, it's announced its ruling. In a majority decision, the court ruled in favour of quashing the law, saying it would cause severe and unprecedented harm to the core characteristics of Israel as a democratic state. Israeli opinion polls suggest Prime Minister Netanyahu's approval rating has slumped in recent months, and this ruling is likely to compound his woes. Melinda Nucifora, TRT World.